Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download and install R on our Windows machine. So let's get started. At first we need to open our web browser. Here I'm going to open my Google Chrome, then search for download R, then click on the first link, then download R 4.0.3 for Windows. Here it's going to be downloaded in a few minutes, so we have to wait. So it's downloaded. Now we have to show in folder. Click on the application. Yes. Language English. Okay. Next. We don't need 32-bit files. Next. Accept defaults. Next. Create a desktop shortcut. Next. It's going to take a moment. That's it. The installation is done. Now open. Here, this is the R console, and we can write a script. We can open a script by this. So that's it everyone.